What's up, everybody? Welcome to the 5150 Gringo Garage. Today we got a little present in the mail. This was sent by I'm trying not to kill the name, but Uponun, or Uponun, something like that. Anyways, you guys decide for yourself. This is model IP67. This is gonna be a solar floodlight. So I don't know if you've checked out my other videos, but I actually did a solar motion light, little security light. So check that one out. Link in the description. I'll also be putting a link in the description on this little thing that I'm about to open up, so you guys can go down there, get you this light if you like it at the end of this video. So anyways, let's go ahead and get our handy dandy box cutter out, and let's open it up. In the Amazon box, we got another box. This is an unlabeled box. All right, so let's unbox this thing. First thing out of the box here is the solar panel. Alright guys, so this solar panel is made out of a polycrystalline silicone. It's got an aluminum housing. It's got stainless steel hardware on it, which makes it nice and durable. It's not going to rust. I don't know if I mentioned, but it's a 6 volt, 6 watt, 1 amp solar panel. Feels pretty strong, feels pretty sturdy. Looks like just a regular old solar panel. I mean, it's pretty good size. So, yeah. It's got a cord attached to it. So this is a 16.4 inch cord, or for all you metric people, it's 5 meters. So let's go ahead. Instruction manual. Nice pictures here on how to set it all up. Got your remote, what all the buttons do on it. We got a thank you card. Have a nice day. By Sunboner. We got another card here. A little instruction, little card here on your remote control. You got 2 stakes. This so you can mount your light and panel in the grass or wherever you want, in a planter or on the side of your house, or I don't know if you can hear that, but your little mounting stakes. So these are made out of aluminum. Feels pretty good. You got your, looks like some wall mounting hardware. Just some old wall mounting hardware. It's got some little anchors, like some concrete anchors. And you got your little drywall or your masonry anchors, and then your screws. It's got some little nuts in there and a little wrench. And in here, I'm guessing it's the light. Two controllers, his and hers. And we got our little LED light here. So this light, I mean, it feels pretty heavy, pretty solid. I noticed when I picked up the package when I got it today, it was you know, it felt pretty heavy, which I like, because that means it's probably well built. Other than that, this is your light. So this light will run 10 hours on 100% power, which is full brightness. It's supposed to be around 500 lumens. It'll go 18 hours on 60% and 24 hours on 30%. This is waterproof, so you don't have to worry about it being out, you know, getting rained on or weathered or whatever. It is meant to hang on the side of your house or in the garden, or getting sprinklers on it or rain on it. So good for that. Also, another question people had was like the color temperature of the LEDs, and they state is a 6,000 to 6,500 K soft white light. Alright guys, so this light will be a nice addition to the house, because I'm going to throw it in the backyard, which is a fairly good sized backyard. It's a pool sized lot, so it's probably between 2,000 and 2,500 square feet in my backyard. and the kids like to jump on the trampoline, and sometimes they want to go out there at night, but it's dark. So I'm gonna go ahead, mount this up somewhere and shine it down in the backyard and see how it looks. And I gotta wait till it gets dark, but I'm gonna go ahead and cut to me installing the thing. Alright, first thing I want to do is I want to take these bolts out here so I can mount my bracket.
Did I go up those levels?
Alright guys, so you see we got our light all mounted up. We got our cables right here. They're all tucked away. You can see we got it wrapped up, goes up and around. Let's get up here so you can see. Alright guys, so it is the next day. I had my solar panel on this side of the roof, so from like 7 a.m. to like 3 p.m. it was on this side getting all the sun, and then from 3 p.m. all the way up till now, which is about 7 p.m. it was getting sun all day long on this side of the house because I moved it over to this side. So it's got like a good 12 hours of charging. I think they say it takes about 8 hours to charge, so I know in the instructions it says 2 to 3 days. I'm gonna go ahead and fire it up tonight to see how well it lights up this yard. You see that little solar panel up there? Look at that sucker, it's up there. It's getting sun, it's charging. So it's gonna get like a good 12-13 hours of charge time. I can still see that little LED is bright. So, yeah. And the reason I haven't secured the solar panel yet is because if it's not bright enough, you know, if I'm not happy with it in the backyard, I might move it down or move it over here, or just run it down the side of the house or do something with it. But just for testing purposes, I haven't mounted the solar panel yet until I'm perfectly happy with where I got that light. So let's cut back to nighttime and we'll fire it up. Alright guys, it is time to check out the light. Got my remote. It's about 10 o'clock at night. You can see it's pretty dark out there. So I'm gonna go out there and fire it up. As you can see, I'm gonna walk back. You can't even see my yard. You can see my ladder over here still. But here we go. Let's come back here. And here we go. I'm gonna turn the brightness up. Whoa. It's not too bad. Oh, look at it. What do you think? You can see everything in my yard now. I think it's yeah, it's pretty bright. Not bad, not bad. There it is up there in all its glory. So you can see we're pretty far. I mean, it's not like insane bright where it's blinding the neighbors, but it's bright enough that the kids can come out and jump on the trampoline, or, you know, if you had little get together, I mean, I think it'd work pretty well. So I'm gonna go ahead and give this one a thumbs up. At first when I turned it on, I was like, what? That's all it's gonna do? But then I forgot there's a brightness button. Let's get up on the ladder in the middle of the night. Let's see if you can see how bright it is. Hope I don't fall off and kill myself. Whoa. So there you have it, check it out. Alright guys, I'm going to turn the light off. So now you get a good view from up here. Turn my light on. Come on, focus. Focus, you old girl. There you go. Alright, let's spray this thing because it's waterproof. It's raining. That's heavy rain right on it.
That's okay.
That's Levi. It's still going. Well, I know it's not a real thunderstorm test, but it's going. Huh, Levi? Can you say hi?
Hi.
Say what up?
What up?
5150 Gringo Garage.
Coffee, Gringo sauce.
Like loud. Say 5150 Gringo Garage.
Gringo sauce.
Alright, let's go. Alright guys, thanks for watching this episode of the 5150 Gringo Garage. I give Uponun, I don't know. Anyways, I give them a thumbs up. I think I will give this 5 stars. I have no problem giving them a 5-star review because I mean, it was the easiest thing. I mean, it was so easy to install, anybody could do it. If you could put 2 screws in something, you can mount this thing. It's just the right amount of, it's just the right brightness. It's not too bright, it's not bright enough, where the neighbors are gonna be getting bothered by it, but it's bright enough to be in the backyard and, enjoy yourself. Go on my Instagram, 5150 Gringo Garage. Go follow me on there because I'll post like videos or pictures on this bad boy. I'm not making YouTube videos on it, but I do work on that thing here and there, post some pics. I'm gonna be actually pulling the motor out. I'm gonna pull the motor out of the thing. It's getting, I don't know, it's time to get rid of it. Put something else in there. Anyways, I've been talking too much, so thanks guys. I appreciate every single one of you. You guys have been wonderful. 2,100 subs strong. Thank you, and I can't thank you enough. So see you guys on the next video.